Okay, good morning friends. Welcome back again. So in the last class we have studied some of the problems based on the distance formula, right? Today I am giving one project work for internal assessment because 20 marks will be there for you. The project name of the project is mathematics. How mathematics is related to day-to-day life. How mathematics is related to day-to-day life. Okay, this is the topic of the project. At least you should write it in A4 sheet, at least 10 sheets. If any pictures are there, you can paste the pictures. Try to write your own sentences. Don't type in the net and just copying and coming means it is waste only. If your copying means what happened in the internet, everybody will get the same points only. Okay? So this is a project. It will have how many marks? Only 10 marks. How many marks? 10 marks. So we will take, last time we have taken 6 to 8 projects, home assignments, yes, home assessment, quiz, like that. So now we can't conduct any quiz or group discussions or seminars, we can't conduct now, right? So before that, just this is the first activity. What is the first activity? How mathematics is related to day-to-day life. How mathematics is related to day-to-day life. This is the name of the project. You should write in 10 A4 sheets. Okay, minimum. Cover page don't write. You can collect the cover page from the school whenever you are coming. But don't submit now. You should submit when school will start. Right? So how many marks will be there? Further 10 marks will be there. Right? Okay. So let me continue with the quadrant geometry. That is 7.1 exercise. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answers. There is no problem. Okay, we will find out. The first one is take points -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, and -3, 0. So 4 are there means same thing. Last class we found out how we should the points will follow the square, like that only we should follow. Okay, na? The first one is this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is a D. The first one should find out AB. So square root of, very simple, 1 minus of -1 whole square plus 0 minus of -2 whole square. So how much? 1 minus of minus is +1 whole square plus 0 minus into minus is +2 whole square, square root. Therefore 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square, 4. Here also 2 square is 4. Square root of 4 plus 4, 8. 8 square root means it can be written as 4 into 2. Otherwise we can write 2 root 2. Next, BC. What is BC? BC. Here -1 whole square plus 2 minus 0, that is 2 square only. Square root. Again -1 plus 2 plus 2. Very good. -1 plus 2. Right. What is the answer? -2 whole square plus 2 square as it is. -2 square -4 sir. Plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 8. Again it is nothing but 2 root 2 only. How 2 root 2 came? 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Next, C D. C D. minus 3 minus of minus 1 square plus 0 minus 2, that is minus 2 square root. So minus 3 minus into minus, yes, plus 4, therefore plus 2 whole square plus again minus 2 square. Okay na? Sorry, here one. So minus 3 1 is minus 2 square is 4. Again here also 4. So 8 means again 2 root 2. Next one more we find out. Yes, DA. A and B. Minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of minus, that is minus of minus 2 whole square. So again minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square. Square root. Again 2 square is 4. Here also 4. 4 plus 4 8. It is nothing but 2 root 2. Therefore what happened? AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay, one we follow. One rule completed. BC is equals to CD equal to DA. Okay na? But one more we have to see. If the diagonals are same, yes, then only they will form a square. If diagonals are not same, then they will form a rhombus. Yes. Next one is AC. AC na? Yes. AC. Minus 1 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1 whole square. Again 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. So it is nothing but minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 0 square. It is nothing but 2 plus 2 whole square. It is nothing but yes 4 whole square. So 1 4 gone means only 1. Next BD. D and B. Minus 3 minus 1 whole square. And both are zeros only, 0 square. So it is nothing but minus 4 whole square. So what is the answer? 4 only. Therefore AC equal to BD. Therefore here see AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. And diagonals are same, therefore ABCD is a square. Do you know how many marks for this? Okay, but you should have patience. If minus gone and plus came means over, your chapter only completes. Instead of 4, you will get a minus 4. That is 0. Plus 4 minus 4, how much? 0 only, no? Like that only, right? So please try to see the signs. Signs are very, very important. Next points. Minus 3, 5. 3, 1. 0, 3 and minus 1 minus 1 and minus 4. So here P, Q, R, S. Now see P, Q. Square root of 3 minus of minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square. So 3 plus 3 whole square plus minus 4 the square. How much it is? 3 plus 3 6. 6 square 36 plus 4 square 16. How much it is? Don't know, sir. 52. 52 can be written as 4 into 30. Tables only don't know for us. Therefore, what is the answer? 2 root 30. 2 root 30. Next. QR. QR. So 0 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. 3 square is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2 square. 2 square is 5. Again, how much? 9 plus 4. 30. Here only we can tell. Okay, right. Next. R. Yes. Minus 1 minus 0. That is minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 3 whole square. So 1 square is 1 plus minus 4 minus 7 minus 3 means minus 7 minus 7 square. You can write 1 square or minus 7 square. How much it is? 1 plus, yes, 49. What is the answer? 50. 50 can be written as 25 into 2. 25 into 2 means 5 root 2. Next. RS over no? 13 over plus. One more. PS. Minus 1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 whole square. Now minus 1 minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus minus 9 whole square. Minus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 square plus again 9 square. You can write 2 square is 4 plus 9 square 36. So how much it is? 40. Or you can write 4 into 10. It is nothing but 2 root 10. If you observe, you see PQ is 2 root 30. QR is root 30. RS is 5 root 2. And PS is 2 root 10. Are they related? Not related. That means what? It is only a simple coordinate. That's all. Therefore, you can write. Yes, what you can write? It is a coordinate. There is no specific name for this because AB is, you can write here, PQ is not equal to QR is not equal to RS is not equal to PS. Therefore, it is not a specific coordinate. It may form or it may not. Okay? Understood? Okay. Next. Sorry, here 9 square is how much? 81. So here 81 plus 4 is 85. PS. Okay, no problem. But we have got the result. It will not form it. Okay? Right. Next. Third problem. That's not only I told you, just observe. See, 9 square, I have written 36. Next. 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 2. Yes. See now. First one is A, B, C and D. Now first one AB. AB equal to 7 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square. 7 minus 4 is 3 square plus 1 square. 3 square is 9 plus 1. It is nothing but root 10. Next BC. 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 Again 4 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. Very simple. 4 minus 7 means minus 3 square plus 3 minus means plus 3 square. 3 square 9 plus 9. So 2 9s are there. We can take out 1 9. Sorry, otherwise 18. 18 means it is nothing but 9 into 2. It is nothing but 3 root of 2. Next, CD. 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. Minus 3 square is 9 plus 1. It is nothing but square root of 10. Next, CD over AD. AD. 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. Here also minus 3 whole square. Therefore, what happened? 9 plus 9. Square root of 9 plus 9 is how much? 18. Can be written as 2 root of 3 root of 2. Because 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, 3 root 2. If you observe here, what happened? You see AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD. Okay. That means what? Here, if the diagonals are equal, then it will form a rectangle. If diagonals are not equal, parallel. Okay, na? Right. No problem. Now we can find out AC. AC. 4 minus 4 whole square. 3 minus 5. 4 minus 4 cancel. Therefore, minus 2 square, it is nothing but 4. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2 only. Next, BD. What is BD? Here B, here D. 1 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square. So 1 minus 7 is minus 6 square plus it is nothing but minus 4 square. Minus 6 square is 36 plus 4 square is 60. How much it is? 52 or 2 root of 30. But here if you see, AC is not equal to BD. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. That's all. Now understood the difference? So square means what? All sides also same. Sorry, rectangle means what? All sides also same. Sorry, parallel sides, opposite sides are same, and diagonals will be same. But in parallelogram, what happens? Opposite sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Understood? Very good. Next. Please practice 3 to 4 times. Then If you practice more, what happens? Automatically, you will by heart the answer also. Because 4 5 are 20, 4 5 are 21. 10 times you told means night also dreaming 4 5 are 20 only will take. Okay? So like that you should practice. Next problem. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5. This is P or Q. One more point is minus 2 9. Minus 2 9. On the x-axis means what is the point on the x-axis? Told me. Very simple. Any point on the x-axis, for example. What is the equation for this? What is the point? What is the value of x? Value of x will be there. What about y? Y? G. Yes. Therefore, it is in the form of. Therefore, what we will take? Here it is the point P. That is this point. What is that answer? X comma 0 only. Because on the x-axis means y coordinate will be 0. Then there are 2 points which are equidistant from P. That is 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 9. So we have to find out how much distance they are. Very simple. We will find out like this. We should write like this. PQ square equal to PR square. Why? Otherwise, directly first we can say like this. PQ equal to PR. Squaring on both sides. Why we have to square? Tell me. Because square root will cancel automatically. Therefore, P square also, here also square, here also square. Okay, na? Right. Very, very simple. Only x coordinate only will take or y coordinate will take? Y will be 0. We don't want. Right? Yes or no? Yes. Now see, P here 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square is equals to PR minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 square. Now very simple. 2 minus x, a minus b whole square. A square is 4 plus b square is x square minus 2 to the 4x plus minus 5 square is 25. Here, how to take this? Minus 2 is there, minus x is there. Very simple, plus only. Because minus sign if you take, it will become plus only. So directly you can write, there is no problem. Minus 2 square is 4. X square is x square. Minus into minus into minus. Sorry, minus into minus plus. Plus into plus is plus only. 2 to the 4x. Plus 9 9 ja 81. X square cancel. 4 cancel. Now bring this 81 this side. How much it will be? Bring this x how much here? Okay, no problem. 25 minus 81 is equals to 4x plus 4x. How much it is? 11 means 6. 7 means 56. So 56 equal to 8x. Therefore, x equal to what is the answer? Minus 7. Therefore, the point is, what is the point? Point P is minus 7 comma 0. So this is only 2 marks question. Only 2 marks. Simple question, but we should, if it is instead of x-axis, if it is y-axis, what is the point? If it is x-axis, okay. If it is y-axis, mean it is answer 0. X value will be 0. If x value is 0 means it will intersect the y-axis. If y equal to 0 means it intersects x-axis. Because in 8th standard we are learning introduction to graph. 9th class we have studied coordinate geometry. Simple. Again here also we are studying that only. Right? Next. So please understand the concept. Word problem means you should know the definition. Okay? One more. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points P 2, minus 3, Q 10, y is 10 units. Yes. How to find out this? PQ, that is the distance between them is 10 units. 10 units means PQ equal to 10. What should we find out? We should find out the value of y. So that's what I am doing is I am finding like this. PQ square equal to 10 square, it is nothing but 100. Why? Square root we will get. Therefore PQ square is nothing but 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3. How much? Y plus 3 whole square is equals to 100. So 10 minus 2 is 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square, a plus b whole square, y square plus 9 plus 3 to ja 6y is equals to 100. Now what happened? 8 square is 64 plus y square plus 9 plus 6y minus 100 equal to 0. Therefore what happened? Y square plus 6y. 64 plus 9 73. 73. 100 minus 73 is 7 equal to 0. एक मार दो टुकड़ा. Factorization. What are the factors of 27? 9 into 3. Very simple. So here you can write y square plus 6y minus 27 is equals to 0. So that is, I will write like this: y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. We can see plus into minus is minus, 9 3 is 27 plus 9y minus 3y, it is nothing but 6y. Therefore, yes, y if you take common, y plus 9 minus 3 if you take y plus 9 is equals to 0. Therefore, y plus 9 and y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, y is equals to y equal to 3 or minus 9. Okay, so very simple. Only thing is we should understand the problem. Then only you will get. Okay, so I think so. Today we have done only few problems, but the concept was same, right? In the next class we will learn more problems, and don't forget about the project work. Okay, please keep it ready. When our school start, I will ask. Otherwise, I will give the message, and I will give the message in the WhatsApp and group also. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.